Okay, today we're going to talk about the chi-square test for independence. You use the chi-square test when you're wanting to see if one variable is independent of another. Today, we are looking at whether or not the sex of a person is independent of the math class that they take. And so here's our data set. We looked at men and women in a trig class and a calculus class. When you're doing chi-squared, you've got what you've observed, the data you've observed, and then you need to find out what would be your expected value. If this was a perfect world, what kind of data would you get? So the formula to do that with Excel is the row total, which I've got in red, times the column total, which is in blue, divided by the grand total, which is in purple. So to figure it out, you would click the cell, and then you would put an equal sign, and then your row total, which is D2 times your column total, which for the first one is going to be B4, and then you divide that by D4. Press enter, and there's your expected value. And you're going to do the same thing for the women. So you've got D3, oops, not there. So you're going to put equals D3 times B4 divided by D4. And there's the expected value. Then you're going to do the same thing for calculus. Equal sign, D4 or D2 times C4, and you can even just click divided by the grand total. And then enter. And then we're going to do the same thing here. Equals D3 times C4 divided by grand total.